My name is Dr. Kayla and I'm with Balance Within Physical Therapy. Do you love being active, especially now that it's getting nicer out and you want to hike, go walking, biking, play pickleball with your friends and family? But as you're getting more active, you're starting to notice arch pain or heel pain or maybe Achilles pain, and it's really putting a damper on being able to do all these fun things outside with your friends and family. Today I want to talk about the most important exercises if you're experiencing any type of foot and ankle pain. These exercises are trigger point releases and stretches for your calf muscles. Your calves are made up of two muscles, your soleus, which is the deep muscle, and your gastroc, which is the outer muscle. There's two heads and they lay on top, and they're the top muscle of the back of your lower leg. And to get at these, you want to start with a trigger point release, which is a specific pressure on a specific part of your muscle that's maybe tight, tender, feels good, feels like it needs it. What you can do is you can use one of our great myofascial release balls, or if you don't have one of these yet, you can use a tennis ball or two tennis balls taped together. You could put this at the on your calf, again, whatever feels tight, feels good, feels like it needs it, and you can hang out there with gentle pressure for 90 to 120 seconds and just let things melt and lengthen and release. If you want to make this stretch a little more intense and kind of get a double whammy and include a trigger point release with a lengthening, you could use a stretching strap, and we recommend these straps to help stretch the calf, and they're located on our Amazon site. But giving your ankle and foot a nice stretch, pulling the foot while having the ball underneath can give you a nice lengthening trigger point release at the same time. Again, holding 90 to 120 seconds as long as it's comfortable. After you release the trigger points, then it's good to lengthen the tissues with a lengthening stretch. One lengthening stretch for your gastroc is in standing. You can hold on to a counter or a wall or a chair if you need it, and you're going to push your heel into the ground, knees straight, and lean forward till you feel a nice stretch in the back of your leg here. And you should be able to hold this for 120 seconds or longer if tolerated. Once you stretch the gastroc, you can stretch the soleus by bending your knee. Heel stays on the ground, bend the knee, you could lean a little bit, and you might feel this a little bit more in the front of your ankle rather than the back of the leg, and that's okay. It's really helping to mobilize the ankle joint at the same time. And you can hold this stretch for 90 to 120 seconds. Now, these stretches are so good because the calf muscles really work with ankle mechanics. When they are tight and stiff, the ankle can't move and the foot doesn't function like it should when you're walking, hiking, any sort of weight-bearing activity. And that's when things start to get irritated, pulled, and stressed more than they should be. And calf flexibility actually plays such a big role in pain and dysfunction, not only in the foot and the ankle, but all the way up the body. And these stretches are very good starting points to get things feeling better. But there are so many other factors that could be causing you pain, not only in your lower body, but even in your upper body. And all of us at Balance Within would be happy to take a look at you and see what your total body dysfunction is and how we can get you feeling better, staying active, and healthy, doing all the things you love to do. And we combine unique specialty trainings in myofascial release, craniosacral therapy, and dry needling to really get at the root cause of your pain and keep you or get you back to all the things you love. We offer 2 discovery consultations every month specific to foot and ankle to see what other issues or muscles need to be stretched, strengthened, stabilized to keep you active or get you active again. And I highly recommend calling us today to get you signed up for these foot and ankle specific
discovery consultations because they're going fast, especially now that it is summer and getting warmer, and we're going to be doing a lot more outdoor.
For more information, please visit www.balancewithinpt.com. And just note that we're always here for you. Thank you so much.